Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to go over how to sell on market. So basically what you want to do, you want to put a ticker symbol in. You're going to want to put the action. Then you're going to put the price type, market, and again good for day. Quantity, let's put 10. And then you're going to go to preview. Now again, when you sell on market, it's going to give you the price closest to this price. I am after hours right now, but it'll give you the price closest to this. Usually it's going to be this price, to be honest. Preview, and then you're going to want to hit place order to send it. I'm not going to place the order, but thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.